If you're looking to reduce taxes on your stock options, you're in the right place. Taxation on stock options can be confusing and expensive if you don't have a strategy. Today, I'm going to show you the best strategies to help minimize those taxes, save your hard-earned wealth, and keep more in your pocket. But before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get a free guide to gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are choosing this option to safeguard their savings, and you don't want to miss out. Now let's talk about stock options. You might think you're in control of your investments, but if you're not aware of the tax implications, those options could cost you more than you realize. The first thing to understand is the difference between incentive stock options, ISOs, and non-qualified stock options, NSOs. ISOs are taxed more favorably than NSOs, but only if you meet specific holding requirements. If you sell the stock acquired through ISOs within a year of exercising, you'll face ordinary income tax rates. If you hold it for at least a year, you might qualify for long-term capital gains, which has a much lower tax rate. But even if you don't qualify for ISOs, or you're dealing with NSOs, don't panic. One of the best strategies to reduce your tax burden is to exercise and hold. By holding onto your shares long enough to qualify for long-term capital gains, you could save a significant amount compared to selling immediately after exercising your options. Next, let's talk about tax deferral. If you're nearing retirement, you may want to consider rolling over some of your stock options into tax-deferred retirement accounts, like an IRA or 401k. These options can defer taxes on your gains until you're ready to retire, which means you won't pay taxes on your earnings for years. Now, while traditional IRAs and 401ks offer tax deferral, the ultimate wealth protection strategy for American retirees is the Gold IRA. If you haven't heard of it, Gold IRAs allow you to invest in physical gold, which historically retains its value and serves as a hedge against inflation. Unlike stocks, gold isn't directly tied to the ups and downs of the stock market, so you don't have to worry about market volatility eating into your retirement savings. In fact, if you're serious about securing your wealth for the long term, especially with stock options involved, a Gold IRA could be the best way to protect your assets from unnecessary taxes and market risk. Again, if you're looking to find out more, make sure to check out the free guide linked in the description below. Another tax-saving strategy involves charitable donations. If you're already in the position where you're holding on to appreciated stock options, consider donating them directly to charity. This allows you to avoid paying capital gains tax, and you'll get a charitable deduction for the fair market value of the stock. It's a win-win if you're looking to do good and save on taxes. You can also consider exercising your stock options in smaller, more strategic amounts over time, which can help you manage your taxable income. Instead of exercising all at once and facing a huge tax bill, consider spreading out your exercises, especially if you're already in a higher tax bracket. Finally, while stock options come with some tax challenges, it's important to work with a professional who can guide you through the maze. A good tax advisor can help you develop a strategy that works for you, whether that's optimizing your exercises, setting up a charitable giving plan, or rolling over funds into tax-deferred accounts. If you're an American retiree with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5Men Plus in savings, it's critical that you take a look at all your options to maximize your tax savings and protect your wealth. One of the best strategies to achieve long-term financial security is through a Gold IRA. If you haven't already, click that link in the description and grab your free Gold IRA guide. It could be the best move you make for your retirement. Make sure you take action today, especially if you're nearing retirement age or want to ensure your wealth is protected from taxes and inflation. Take control of your finances, reduce those taxes, and secure your future with the right strategies and a Gold IRA.